Attention all auto repair shop owners. If I offered to create a custom, high-converting auto service offer that's guaranteed to put car count in your shop in the next 19 days, and do it all using your current pricing without any discounts, giveaways, or freebies, without you ever worrying about what to say or how to say it, and you'd never worry about graphics or actually getting this delivered, and not hire a digital ad agency that's just going to spend your hard-earned dollars on PPC or Google ads, so you can almost immediately fill up your service base with cash-paying customers. Would you take me up on that offer? If you answered yes, then use the link below this video, and I'll have it posted here, and I'll even put a QR code here if you are watching this on desktop and you want to follow through on your phone, and go ahead and apply to do this. This is a limited time offer. I'm not doing this forever, and if you don't do it now, you may not have another chance. So I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Can't wait to see you and review your application. Let's get started. Click the link below and let's get going.